Hello everyone, well to Tech Smart Auto 24 now presenting the 2022 Toyota Urban Cruiser is expected to be launched by mid-2022, most probably by June this year. The new model will receive significant design changes, all new interior and a new engine gearbox combination. The SUV will share the interior and GN changes with the new Brezza. However, it will receive Toyota-specific design elements. The 2022 Toyota Urban Cruiser will be based on the existing platform, which is Suzuki's Global C architecture. The company could have improved the platform to make it stronger. The new model is also expected to achieve Star Safety rating at Global NCAP. Outgoing model gets 4-star safety rating. The 2022 Toyota Urban Cruiser comes with new front fascia, featuring a new signature grille, new headlamp setup, revised bumpers, new alloy wheels and new LED tail lights. The cabin of the SUV will receive major changes. It will have an all-new dashboard with a new freestanding touchscreen infotainment system, which is jointly developed by Suzuki and Toyota. It will be compatible with wireless Android Auto. Car Suite. Testo Booster. The new sub-4-meter SUV will come with several segment-leading features, which are missing in the outgoing model. It will come with paddle shifters, automatic AC, a factory-fitted electric sunroof, a new semi-digital instrument console, a rear camera. In terms of safety, NG camera and sensors, tire pressure monitoring system and others. It will be powered by a new 1.5-liter dual-jet petrol engine that powers the new XL6 and the Ertiga. This engine churns out 103 bhp at 6,000 revolutions per minute and a peak torque of 136.8 Nm at 4,400 revolutions per minute. A 5-speed manual gearbox driving the power to the front wheels will come as standard. Instead of a 4-speed automatic gearbox, the new Urban Cruiser will get a 6-speed torque converter automatic with paddle shifter. Thanks for watching. For more updates, information and details, subscribe the channel. Thank you.